Sets. Introduction. Observe the examples: Euclid, Pythagoras, Gauss, Leibniz, Aryabhatta, Bhaskar. A, E, I, O, U. Happy, sad, angry, anxious, joyful, confused. Cricket, football, kho-kho, kabaddi, basketball. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. What do you observe? Example 1 is a collection of names of some mathematicians. For example, 2 is the collection of vowel letters in the English alphabet, and example 3 is a collection of feelings. We see that the names, items, objects in each example have something in common. That is, they form a collection. Can you tell what the collection in examples 4 and 5 are? We come across collections in mathematics too. For example, natural numbers, prime numbers, quadrilaterals in a plane, etc. All examples seen so far are well-defined collection of objects or ideas. A well-defined collection of objects or ideas is known as a set. Set theory is a comparatively new concept in mathematics. It was developed by George Cantor in the year 1845 to 1918. In this chapter, we will learn about sets and their properties and what we mean when we say well-defined, elements of a set, types of sets, etc. Objectives. In this chapter, we will learn about well-defined sets, naming of sets and elements of a set, types of set, using diagrams to represent sets, universal set and subsets, Venn diagrams, basic operations on sets, union of sets, intersection of sets, disjoint set, difference of sets. Well-defined sets. What do you mean when we say that a set is a well-defined collection of objects? Well-defined means that all the objects in the set should have a common feature or property, and it should be possible to decide whether any given object belongs to the set or not. Let us understand well-defined through some examples. Consider the statement, the collection of all tall students in your class. What difficulty is caused by this statement? Here, who is tall is not clear. Richa decides that all students taller than her are tall. Her set has 5 students. Yashodhara also decides that tall means all students taller than her. Her set has 10 students. Ganapati decides that tall means every student whose height is more than 5 feet. His set has 3 students. We find that different people get different collections. So this collection is not well defined. Now consider the following statement. The collection of all students in your class who are taller than 5 feet 6 inches. In this case, Richa, Yashodhara, and Ganapati all will get the same collection. So this collection forms a well-defined set. Example. Write 3 examples of sets from your daily life. Solution. All the letters of English alphabet, all the students in your class, number of fruits in your basket.